Hello Dhruv, how are you? So today I'm going to speak about memory. There was this great scientist, German scientist in 19th century who worked on memory and gave numerous theories about it. His name is Hermann Ebbinghaus. This gentleman, he gave the first concept of forgetting curve. Do you know what is forgetting curve, Dhruv? Well, the concept is very simple. It is in the initial few hours that we rapidly forget things unless we do the proper revision. And over time, our memory loss becomes less significant, and maybe we'll be able to retain 15 to 20% of the information. What this curve essentially says is that within 1 hour, nearly 40% of whatever we have learned is lost. And in 2 hours, our attention is somewhere near 50% perhaps. And in 9 to 10 hours, we retain hardly 20 to 25%. That is one thing, one concept he gave. The second thing he said was spacing effect. When studies are spaced out in different sessions, then the possibility of us to remember more and retain more is more. Rather than sitting in one session and cramming up all possible, always it's better to split into various sessions and learn. Number two. Third, when you overlearn something, you are able to remember them longer. So what is overlearning? Even after you believe you have understood it, try to read it again and try to recall whether you are able to say what is written, as the things which you want to remember. So that is useful. And he also says that even though when you learn, yes, we forget, but when we do the relearning happens much, much faster. Then he also gave the concept of primacy and recency. What it essentially means is that whenever you read something, the initial portion of what you read and the final portion of whatever you read, you are able to retain that better. Okay, so all the important things you should either say first or you should say at the end. In your answers also should be so defined when you're writing your answers that all the important points are covered either in the start or at the end. Then the possibilities are you will get much better marks. Okay, so these are the things he talked about memory. I hope it will be useful and you will be able to apply these concepts and principles. Okay, thank you.